Just want you to. Just want you to. Just want you to. Just want you to.
This is, we had kicking crab. We eating some of these crabs and things. This is my older sister. I mean, I got started over. You done messed me up.
Hey y'all, we had kicking crab.
Luckily it's not Instagram. What's up, BZ? It's my brother. My brother from another mother. From the East Coast. What is it called? Oh, okay. We had Krab Queenz. Yes, my big sis. She invited me out to eat. And I just found out about this place yesterday. And believe it or not, we waited 2 hours just to be seated. 2 hours, you guys. So if you guys want to come down here, just know it's going to be a good old wait. Go ahead and walk downtown, take a little sightseeing or something. But you're going to be waiting a long time. At least you came at the right time, though. Because he just got here.
Oh yeah, I'm not rapping.
Oh, the menu.
That's drinks. That's not the food.
Them drinks look so good. That's what got me at first. I saw the drinks. I was like, ooh, that looks so good. Yeah. I like the camera on this iPhone. It's like really good. Really good. Your skin is going, girl. Yes. Gonna tear it up. Where can I put y'all at? You know what? I just can't do it. Look, you guys, you get your butter. Oh, so I'm gonna put that on my potatoes. It's gonna be so delicious. Get your gloves.
All of the bitches anxiety, cars rebided, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease her mouth. She wanna twerk when I leave the house. Gucci the belt and don't leave it out. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah. I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah. She wanna twerk on my chain, get in that brain, swerving your lane. I feel the knock off a bonnet. I had to get it, I want it, honest, yeah. Private jet, Nike tag, she up next. When you a boss, don't take a loss, count up a check. Soul plate, never late, go on dates. When you get up, they hate. Diamonds, they trip like a lake. Ollie a 10, kick flip an 8, nigga, I skate. Ollie a 10, kick flip an 8, nigga, I skate. I got standards, diamond near Flanders. Ooh, yeah, Kool-Aid.
So just finished eating and the food was delicious. Look at my face, covered in oil. Why you ain't tell me my face got oil and stuff on it? Girl, that's how you know the food was good. When you leave your face all greasy. Girl, that's that good old butter. Ooh. But yeah, you guys should definitely come here. When I say the food is bomb, like this shit is so good. Christina, ain't it bomb? Delicious. I'm delirious right now. Delirious. Okay. Ooh, look at this drink. Look at this drink. Ooh. Gotta be quick. I got my drink too. Really good. It's all melted now, so don't look as cute as it did before, but I posted it on my Instagram.
Cookie pack on camera, yeah. I got standards, diamond near Flanders. Ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer, cookie pack on camera. Ooh, yeah. I got standards. Suck on that's like planners.
So you guys, right now I'm downtown LA. I'm looking real greasy and oily, but where you going? Come on. I'm waiting on you. About to go to the Belladonna event. Hello. It's a little pop-up shop down here. Follow them on Instagram if you want to get that tea. Or, okay. Oh, wow. That's a lot of stairs too. Okay, well, a lot. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Perfect. Yay! Awesome. We get to go in the elevator. Well, I'm still gonna, when we leave, I'm gonna go up the stairs because I think they have like affirmations on the stairs, so I want to see like what that's about. Hello. Oh, which way do we go? Over here. Okay. I'm so excited. I got my typical crew with me. Where you go? Why you want to go to complicated? She's always trying to go her own way.
Hop on a dick like a pretzel. Picture, flip with a Polaroid camera. Talk outlandish, put it in a holy feel like a vandal. Got a new mansion, new Ralph Lauren, got 2 ranches. Diamonds is dancing, ice so cold, gotta walk with a panda. Yo, bitch so stainless, give me that top with no handle. I got standards, I get the pop, got more jealous. I got standards, take your bitches to Ritz, not no standard. No outlandish, when Virgo the truck, you rappers advantage. My bitch just landed.
Hey guys, so I got this ring that says chingona. This basically means bad bitch in Spanish. And then I got this cute little bag that says diablita. I just thought that was cute. It's like a little mini purse. Let's see. I'm gonna check it out.
What's the bag, miss?
And this ring too. I'm okay. I don't shop for that too much.
Sure.
So we did a little shopping here, got my bag and stuff. I'm finna go to Dirt Dog now and go get some food. I'm starving. Hi, baby girl. Oh, real quick, I'm gonna just go down the stairs and record it.
Did it break already?
Break? What? Oh my god. Maybe when you cut it. Oh man.
Check that one.
Let me make sure now. But this one not centered. This one like too high. You see it? You got another one?
Yeah, let me just get that.
There's a little bit of technical difficulties. It's all right. So my hair is just blowing in the wind, and I'm walking downtown. Making my, that was just about to say that. Making my way downtown, walking down. Oh, is this the, oh, it's right here. All right.
Because it said it wasn't coming until 6:50.
Oh, no? Oh, let him first.
Oh, good.
He coming right here. Where you going? Oh, I get what you mean. What the hell? That's dumb. Anyway, back to my song. Making my way downtown, walking fast. You can tell I'm in a good mood, huh? And I miss you. And I need you. And now I won. Sing it with me, Ty. Sing it. Sing along.
Oh, my bun about to fall.
Oh, no. My bun's gonna fall for the 1,000th time. Oh, sling them braids, girl. Sling it. I look all glowy and stuff. Ooh, I've been sweating. That's what that is. It's hot. Shit. This is like a weak ass summer though compared to other people. Other people's summer, like, and what they be dealing with. Na 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 na. Look at my ring, y'all. Chingona. If you ain't, if you don't know Spanish, you would never know what this says. So I'm probably gonna get a lot of questions about it while I have it on. Look at downtown now. Downtown looks so nice. I'm so damn hungry. I am starving.
Especially like the healthy proportion, you know, not like the...
Oh, like a big girl? Yeah, because they be going for like super like model girls.
Oh, and then we got the rat pack.
Oh, you cold. Why? Because they black. Oh, hell no. Girl, that's what I'm not finna do. You out your damn mind. Girl, why they got this long ass line for Dirt Dog? If I hadn't known this, I would have been got me something to eat. I'm fucking starving. Where? Flame broiler?
No. Only thing I've ever gotten from there is
Damn.
they're really good.
Look at this, y'all. You see this long ass line for Dirt Dog? This shit is unbelievably long. It better be damn good for that. Do you get something for free?
They must be.
Look, all these people. It's so crazy, like, just to get in. Unreal, hell no. Yeah, I'm recording this shit. Look at this, just to get into Dirt Dog. So that we not going there. So if you wonder why we ain't go, that's why. I ain't got no time. Here, let me get the door.
You want Popeyes? I'm getting this. I don't know if you want something.
Well, I'm gonna see what their food looking like.
The chicken teriyaki bowl.
Oh. I'm trying to get the door for you.
I know it's this way.
My bitch go loco. Slide, slide, loco. What the hell? Ah. Alright. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go to Popeyes. Hey, I like this song. This probably copyright, huh? Tyler getting her some Chinese food. I don't want no Chinese food. I love my ring, you guys. I think this is so cute. Like, bomb. The only reason why I got it because I was like, I'm not gonna find this ring again, so let me just go for it. And then I really like this bag too, so.
Got him. Oh, baby, I got all that, boo boo. Ow.
Guys, the craziest thing just happened to me. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys footage. Tyler got my back though. She don't fuck around. She like, girl, you better back up, back away from our friend. Oh Lord, that was crazy. Like, just look, everybody coughing because of that damn money. Yeah. Boom. I hate the lighting in my car right now. Anyway. Right now, I'm about to go get I'm getting a couple. Hold on. Look, y'all, I'm at the car wash. Wait, you can't even fucking see this shit. I'm at the car wash and it's blurry. Okay, there we go. Woo, we're going in. My car needs a car wash so fucking bad, bro. It's so bad. Ooh, bubbles. Look at all the bubbles. Oh, we got that red light special in this beach. Hold on, where my music at? Hey, hey, turn up, bitch. Turn up, turn up. Bitch, I be having fun by myself. I don't need a crew. Who needs a crew when I got you? Me, I'm talking to myself. Did I mess up my hair? My makeup right here? My makeup is messed up right here. So I'm just gonna let my car air dry. Normally I would like wipe it down and all that, but I'm not doing all that today, sis. So right now I'm just gonna go to this one henna spot that I know that's local, and I'm gonna just see like how much they would charge me for a henna. Me and my sister went here before. My lips look weird. I need to put some lip gloss on. But me and my sister went here before, and I'm blocking people. This is why I fucking hate driving in LA. They fucking stupid ass holding up the damn traffic. Get your ass out of here. Shit. I literally picked the worst time to come and try to get henna because the kids just got out of school, and I forgot that this henna place is right by school, and the kids are out right now. So hopefully there is parking in this parking lot. If it's not, then fuck it. We just gonna have to do henna on another day.
So many things I'm going through, so much that I wanna do. It's time to become so clear to me. Tomorrow came with clarity. So many days I thought of you. It's about time to get the truth. To act quickly when I fall in love with this. Why don't we? 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 So
So here's my henna outside. It's still drying though, so I have to give it some more time. All this is going to end up falling off, and then it's just going to be like this light brown kind of color. But yeah, this is what it's currently looking like. I would low-key get this as a tattoo. Like, that's how cute this is. Like, I would get it for real. So I went to this place over here. It's called Daxa Threading and Tattoo, or Henna Tattoo, some shit like that. I don't know. But yeah, this is it. It's super cute. Right over here on La Cienega. Real LA shit. La Cienega. It's La Cienega, La Brea, Vermont, Crenshaw. Anyway, boo. I'm looking cute. Yeah, looking like a whole Shanek. So you guys, just finished getting my henna. It is still like falling off, but this is the henna that I got. I really like this. I actually would end up getting this like as a tattoo. Like, I think this is so freaking cute. Because I see a lot of people get henna, but I don't like a lot of people's henna because I don't know, sometimes it just be too much, or it's just the way that they got theirs. I don't like it. But this was like really cool, and it smells good too. It has like almost like a minty kind of smell, but something else. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells really good. I messed up my makeup right there, so hopefully you guys just can ignore that. But yeah, it looks really cute. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This henna cost $25 for this henna, but I just been wanting a henna tattoo, so I got it. Yeah, see, like this little stuff, it just like crumbles off, but I don't want it to crumble onto my outfit. I'm about to go get some food though, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Period poo.